So this is my second session for the voice lesson. So good luck to me today. It's Friday.
One day later.
Hey guys, good morning. So it's already Saturday morning. So already had my voice lesson, second voice lesson yesterday. Yesterday afternoon it was 1 p.m. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. at the music school in Damosa, Lanang. So actually guys, compared sa first lesson namo, well, I can definitely say na I've improved. First is my confidence because the first lesson I had was I was really shy and I don't want to let out, especially my voice. It reflected my voice because I was holding back a lot. And the second, yesterday it was just really fun. I was really enjoying the lesson. At the same time, I can feel that there's a progress in the voice. Um, Although the downside is that I haven't slept, like my sleeping pattern for the past few days. Grabe, it's really challenging for me to sleep straight. Actually, kanina lang ako nakatulog ng straight na naka at least 7 hours na straight. But the previous days, grabe, like 3 hours lang. And then it really did reflect sa voice ko, sa quality ng voice ko. Because I can't hit the higher notes. And although may mga technique naman yan, you will learn that if you were going to sign up as well for voice lesson. But the secret for that is head tone. Gamitan mo ng head tone. Yeah, sa mga matataas na part na usually sa first voice lesson ko, kaya ko naman with diaphragm support of chest. Pero kahapon, grabe, like nahirapan talaga ako. So I had to head tone sa mga taas na part. And weird thing is that I also struggled sa lower part. Like I often forget. So my voice range, depende sa vocal exercise. Pero my bass note na suitable sa voice ko is G3. And then I can hit up to G4. I don't know what's that. Because I know there's a lot, that's a classification. But we haven't gone there yet kung anong classification. And oh my gosh, may assignment na din ako. I have to familiarize muna, not really memorize or sing it. The song from Christian Bautista, it's The Way You Look at Me. So sabi ng voice teacher, ang range ko is something like that. It's actually it's eye-opening because I feel like I have a different peg of what I sound like. Pero to say na mga inana ako ang voice range, oh my gosh. And Christian Bautista, I won't say that I'm not a fan, but I'm not gonna say that I am a fan as well. But I heard most of his songs. He's a popular singer naman. So and the song itself is very familiar to me, so I don't think I have to memorize it or anything. I just maybe have to keep listening to it, and then we'll see what will happen on the third day. Oh my gosh. I mean, on the third lesson. But my teacher said that she's excited to hear me sing. Oh my gosh. So I'm expecting that. I'm gonna sing. Oh my gosh. So I think that's basically it. So it's already Saturday morning. So my class pala is Tuesday at 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then Friday 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Siguro isa din sa mga factor ba't ako nahirapan is because my body knows my usual routine, and having a change in the routine with a new class is um yeah, it's a bit of shock for me, so I wasn't able to sleep a lot. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I wasn't able to really vlog. I will try to ask and see if I can record while we are having our voice lesson, um, just to see then my progress. But yeah, I'll have to ask first permission. Pero, eto. So thank you guys, and yeah,